The weather looks so pretty today. I love the summer. It is time for a shower. It isn't a wash and hair day today, but it is a Sunday, so I want to do more for my body instead of just a normal shower. So recently I brought this body scrub. I got it yesterday actually from Superdrug, so I haven't tried it yet. It's cherry blossom and hopefully it does my skin wonders. It smells beautiful. Oh, it really does. And I always love the exfoliators where it has the little beads in it. You see like the little dots all in it, because I feel like those little, like whatever they are, like seeds or whatever, really get into your skin. And to exfoliate, I'm going to use some tanning mitts. I don't tan, but I think I got these from my sister ages ago, but these work really well to massage it into my skin. And then for my face, I'm going to use this exfoliator from Nivea. I always love when a wash and hair day matches up on a Sunday, because it's like a reset, isn't it? But I don't want to overwash it, so I go for like 1 or 2 hair washes a week because my hair is very sensitive. My hair personally doesn't like to be messed with too much because it gets really dry really quickly. Anyway, I'll talk to you in a minute. And now that I'm out of the shower, I am going to use this cocoa butter, and I'm going to be sorting this drawer out in a bit, and I'm really excited to, because yeah, again, it's a mess. I don't even know what to do with it anymore. It's time for a face mask. I've exfoliated. You should always exfoliate first. I had a few masks in my bathroom. I'm going to use this one today. How long do you keep it on for? 10 to 15 minutes, that works for me. My face and head is really small, so they usually don't fit my face anyway, and they slip everywhere, but here we are. Oh, it's cold. This is the worst part, getting it on. Oh my god, it's cold. I'm just gonna use this like on my car. You know when you put the wrap on the car. I feel like that right now. Okay, I'll be back in like 10 minutes. Right, I don't think I can keep this on for much longer. Sheet masks aren't the one for me. Remind me never to get them again. I'm still using the Simple moisturiser. I might need to get a new one soon though. And then I use the Simple eye roll on as usual. Like, do I naturally just not really have bags? Like, I do have bags, but they're very small. Is this actually helping, or am I naturally like that? I don't really know. It's time for stretches. I'm trying to do this every day, whether it's in the morning or just before I go to bed, but my body is stiff and I need to loosen it up a little bit.
She calls me day and night. I'm sorry girl, you just don't make me feel right. I never meant to make you cry, you were right. Just leave me be, I'm not gonna put up a fight. And every time you wake up feeling worse, and then you check the time. It's never what it feels like, just throw me a dime. If everything was good, then you would feel alive. That will do, donkey. I'm gonna need to like find new stretches that I can do as well that will help me. Right, this room needs a deep clean. Not a deep clean, but like more than I usually do for it. So I need to go through my drawers. I need to sort all my plants out. Good morning! Hi! Hi!
Well, it's still a mess, but it's my mess, so I know where everything is. It's an organised mess, I guess. I need dividers or something. If you know good things to use to sort drawers like this out, let me know. And here we have another organised mess, but it's more organised than the other drawer. So that's a start. I've actually found a place I can put my keys now, and then my purse, and I can actually see everything. So that's a start. And then like at the back, I've kind of shoved everything in there, but that's all medication and hand creams and lip balms and stuff like that. So. Wet a little flannel clothing and they're all dusty, so I'm just going to wipe over them. Going to cut off any dead leaves. This one I don't really know what to do with, guys. How can I revive this? Oh, probably just pull it off. Yeah. Now I've cleaned all my room and my room's all tidy. My plants are getting some fresh air and being looked after. It's such a vibe, I love it. What I like to do to reset for the new week on a Sunday is to plan for the week ahead. I have my journal. I absolutely love this journal. This was when me and Ben went to Shrewsbury. I've just planned all the stuff I need to do next week. I need to meal prep, I need to film some videos, I need to go to the gym or do some pole. Can you see it right there? I've still got my pole in my room, so I really need to get back into it. I really enjoyed it. It's really good for my fitness, but I'm lazy, so it's hard to keep it up. And I've also set an intention for the week. The intention for next week is to not pressure myself as much to do things and get things done. I tend to put a lot on my plate and then I get overwhelmed and I never end up doing it, and I end up doing less than if I was to just plan littler things. Does that make sense? And now that I've set my intention to be more patient with myself and take time to get things done instead of rushing it, and to not be as pressured, I'm gonna do a little meditation and cleanse my room, set the intention. I don't really want to let this go out, so he can stay in there until he's finished. Now I am just gonna read this book. I've been obsessed with this book for a while, if you didn't already know. And I've been highlighting things that speak to me, things that I need to listen to more, things that, you know, just I get, and I feel like I need to remember those things. I absolutely love self-help books, and I would recommend this one completely. 101 Essays That Will Change the Way You Think by Brianna West. I'm not sure, sorry. But yeah, I'm going to be reading this, and that is all I can really do for this Sunday reset. I really enjoy a Sunday reset. I feel so refreshed and ready for the week coming in. I love setting intentions. I love just newness, you know, like it feels new, everything's the same, but because you've had a reset and you've done a routine and you've cleaned out some things, it's a good vibe, and I'm so here for it. I absolutely love it. I love doing this every Sunday. It's definitely good for your mental health as well, to clean your space. And for me personally, what helps my mental health is planning ahead. I don't plan thoroughly because that just overwhelms me, but having a vague plan of what I want to do in the week coming up and setting intentions for the new week and getting things ready for the new week really helps me. So maybe that's something you could give a go. Yeah, that's all I have for you for this video today. If you enjoyed it, make sure to like, comment and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye.